Okay, so tonight I'm making some lamb shank for supper. I'm making a curry style, and the goal is, I don't know what the goal is. I'm just freestyling as I go along. So in here I have seasoned lamb, and here I have onion, tomato, peppers, and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. Yeah, I would add pepper, but my house people are pepperless, so we'll see. Getting some color on the lamb. You can do this in your instant pot, but it's not very fast, and I really don't have the time, so I'd rather just do it this way. So next I'm cooking down the chopped stuff. I think I might actually end up adding a little bit of atara, not a lot in here, just because, yeah. Anyways, I'm just cooking this down. Once I cook it down to a point where I want to blend it, I will show you guys what it looks like. So it's kind of reduced, but not quite where I want it to be. So I added in spices. I added some coriander in there and a little bit of curry powder, and what else did I put in there? And some turmeric. So I'm going to cook this for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to blend it. So I have it in the pressure pot, and I'm pressure cooking it on high for 40 minutes. Yeah, the pressure pot is actually a scam because this is going to take like an hour or more. But that's all she wrote. So this is after I pressure cooked it, I think, for about 40 minutes, I told you guys, and then I let it naturally release the pressure. So now I'm going to try to thicken the sauce somehow. Yeah, I add in some coconut milk, and I just put it on saute. Yeah, I'm just going to let it cook some more until we're ready for supper.